Question number 6. John bought a DVD set of movies and paid $85.32 after the 13% GST was added. What was the price before the tax was added? So in the solution, when an amount is increased by 13%, then the new amount is 113% of the original quantity. Okay, so the price he pays after tax is 113% of what the price was before tax, because adding 13% on to 100% is 113%. So notice again, we add the percentage to 100. So 100%, like that's what he's paying before tax, plus the 13% means his after-tax price is 113% of the ticket on the box of DVD movies in the store, okay, before the tax was added. So to add 13% to something, we multiply it by 1.13. The decimal equivalent, to change that into a decimal, remember you move the decimal 2 places, or divide it by 100. Remember, you can always change any decimal to a percent to a decimal by dividing it by 100. 113 divided by 100 is 1.13. So if you want to add 13% onto something, multiply it by 1.13. So let's get rid of the calculator. So let's call P the original before tax price. Then 1.13 times P would give that 85.32. That was the price after tax. So we're going to take that equation and solve it for P. Now the 1.13 is multiplied by P, so we can undo multiplying by 1.13 by dividing by 1.13, and that's what this next line is here. Each of these is divided by 1.13, both sides of the equation. So the 1.13 is divided out here, and that's why we get P just alone, isolated on the left, and 85.32 divided by 1.13 is 75.50. So the before tax price was $75.50, which is answer A. Now this is a multiple choice question, so there's only 4 possible answers here. So even if you didn't remember how to do this, what you could do is start checking to see which one's correct. So for example, and actually the 96.41 doesn't make any sense at all, because if his after-tax price is 85.32, it doesn't make sense that before tax the price was 96.41, it was higher. Okay, so that makes no sense. The other one that's actually fairly close is the 74.23. Okay, so if I wanted to check and see if that was correct, I could go $74.23 and find the tax amount. So the tax would be $9.65. So if we take $9.65 and add it to the $74.23, we don't quite get the right price. Remember, we're told he pays $85.32, but this is $83.88, so it's a little under $2 too low. See, this one is the correct one. So $75.50 times 0.13. So that's the tax, $9.82. So $9.82 plus the $75.50 works out to exactly $85.32. So you could sort of work backwards and from the multiple choice questions and check to see which one is correct as well.